Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. I usually see videos where people are cleaning their stove top, but today I wanted to show you how I clean under my stove. The video is pretty self-explanatory. You have to remove the bottom part of your stove, and I used my vacuum cleaner to remove all the debris in there. And voila, the results. I will encourage you to look under your stove and clean it if you have never done so, or if you didn't know that you should do so. I hope I was able to help someone. Have a wonderful day. When you are done, you just put everything back in place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.